righty dighty do. Let's see where we at. Howdy ho everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Sorry I got distracted by some stuff and I lost track of time. That's why we are starting like 10-15 minutes late today. Um, yeah. With that being said, let's get going with our daily stuff. Lead code or die series with interview top 150. This is problem number 61 in lead code and a medium level one in linked list, right? Rotate list problem. Let me send this here and I will pin this so you all can see it. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And yeah, let me I have a couple of things. I'm going to change like the tune after this. After this, because I have the lead code premium, what we are going to do is I'm going to once I'm done with top 150 interview, I think we have done a lot of them, and probably in a month or two we should be in a position to, like, in a month basically we should be, no, maybe not, probably not in a month, probably in 2 months we will be able to complete this. And even before that, I might start switching the gears to more like topics which are a bit harder and a lot of people ask about them. Yo, Range, what's up, bro? How was your exam, buddy? Yeah, and I was saying like we might switch gears soon, from top 150 interview problems to addition of like a couple of other cards because of the premium I have. We'll look into like whatever you guys want, but my things is like things that are hard, kind of. Like dynamic programming is a bit hard compared to others. Some trees one, some recursion one, which are a bit hard and would be fun to learn. And maybe we can do system design. Let's see. My exam was good, but the girl that was giving exam was not that good. Happens. It's good though. You were not distracted then, right? It's good. It's a blessing in disguise, buddy. It's a blessing in disguise. But yo, you have the next exam on 26th, right? No more exams till then, right? If I'm not wrong. Also, yeah, nice. Also, yo, I started a new campaign. So I will be posting links and everything, and I will tell you what to do before do it, right? Yeah, maths exam. Math exam or maths exam? Damn, bro. FBI, you are on FBI's watch list now. Okay, jokes apart, right? Let's lock in Mets. Okay, gotcha. But yeah, let's lock in, right? You have the interview 150 problem, right? Let's get started with rotate list. Problem number 61. Given the head of a linked list, rotate the list to the right by k places, right? So we have the head. Let's say, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want rotate 1, so we rotate everything by 1. If we have rotate 2, we rotate everything by 2. So like 1 will go to this, 2 will go to this, right? That's all case 2. So first rotate is this, second rotate is this. All right. Example 2 will be, let's say our values are 0, 1, 2 and k is at 4. So 4 times it will end up with this 0 will go here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2, 0, 1. Yeah. Okay, it's a medium level problem. It's a nice one. Let's think about this a little. It should be good here. Yo, what's up, Idor? Thank you, man. You too. You too. Okay. So we have rotate list, right? Numbers. hmm, I'll go number 61. Rotate list. So let's say how we can plan it. If we have, let's say, head pointing to, let's say, a node, right? Which is this, let's say 0, 1, 2. And then we have to rotate it, let's say. We have to rotate things by k, 4. What one thing we can do, I'm just thinking in one way. Let's say if we create it as a circular list, right? Let's say I make it like 0 connecting to 1, connecting to 2, and this. Now, with k being here, I can just use k and head will be, first is like just create it as circular. Second, k will be equal to, let's say k is, let's say we move from 4, right? For example, 4. We go 1 using a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4. K will be the fifth value, right? We have to rotate. So k will be this. Sorry, head will be this. This is the new head. And now we create a set for k in which it will be create a set, find new head, and create a set of nodes, and we can just keep going till we meet 2 again. So we will have track, we will keep, let's say, current and previous. So we'll go current as, let's say, 2, previous as still none. Now current is added here in the node set. Then we'll move 2 becomes 0, current becomes 0, this becomes 2. Add this, then what's this called? Current will become 1, this will become 0, and we add this again to our system. Okay, and now because 2 we tried to make current go again, but it won't go, right? Current can't go again because it's already in the set. What we do, previous or current dot next, actually current dot next is equal to none. Or even better would be, actually, this is not the best because we are going again n. Actually, a better one instead of this would be, when we are going and finding the new head, here itself we will create current and previous. So first we'll start from 0, right? Then it will go to 1, then 2, then 0, and then 1 again, and then next will be 2, right? Because we are finding the new head, it will be k plus 1. Previous will end up with like none, then 0, 1, 2, 0, and 1, whatever is the last one, right? As current reaches here, previous dot none, previous dot next is equal to none. I think this would do our stuff in almost ON, right? O2N, basically. Okay, let's do that. Then first is like create cycle. Create cycle. Create cycle will be head is here. Let's say is equal to head, while current dot next exists, right? Current is equal to current dot next. Keep going till it reaches null, right? Basically, this will be like the tail. Current will become tail. Rather than moving one by one, we should move it all in one. What do you mean by that? Like, I didn't get it. What do you mean by that? And is list node a thing? Is list node a like length of list node? Will that return me anything? No. There are cycles, right? Like when we have 0, 1, 2, we have to move it by 2. We first will do 2, 0, 1, then the next move. Yeah, we create the cycle when we have 0, 1, 2. We have to move it by 2. Technically, yes, k plus 1, 4 plus 1 divided by, or the remainder will be 2, yes. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Yes, yes. So basically, instead of doing here, like, instead of when we are creating cycle, we can find what is the total cost, where the total length or size of the linked list, and then based on that move based on the remainder, right? That's what you mean? That's actually right. Perfect, right? That's what you mean, right? If I'm not wrong. So once we get the size, oh, okay, awesome. Thank you, bro. That's actually a good one. Yeah, we reduce from O2N to even ON, which is great. Awesome. So we have current dot next size keeps going on. We find the size and current dot next is equal to head. We points it to head. Then moves will be k plus 1 by, wait, no, size, and we need the remainder, so we will do it like this. So we have moves still, while moves less than equal to 0, first move minus equals 1 would be head is equal to head dot next. Oh, nice. That's awesome, man. Head is equal to head dot next, and current is equal to current dot next, because current is already previous, right? Because here we did this. Keep going, and till we do this, we will have the new current and head, and current will be equal to current dot next will be equal to none. Return head. I think this should do the job. Hopefully errors might come. Oh, it's judging, so that's good. And I think I did something, because it shouldn't be judging for this long, for test cases at least. Time limit exceeded. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yo, Rajeshwar, what's up, bro? Going, going. So we have two, three, four, five. Yes, that's right. It goes for one round. That's good. How you doing, boy? Current dot next is equal to head. This move k, print k moves, print moves, comma k, comma size, and then return head. Okay, I used the wrong one, maybe. Modulo operation. Okay, let's run this time. Yeah, Rajesh, are you doing the problems with us? It must have time limit exceeded, memory limit. Memory limit exceeded. No, like, but why there is exception happening? It should not be happening, right? Oh, just woke up. Nice, nice. Got good sleep though. Bro, sleep is so important. Last week I was like so done. And my project is starting tomorrow, or basically started today. So I'm just worried that I might be even more busy coming forward. The problem is yeah, I need to like just be more uh, disciplined in my life. So current is this, head is this, current goes till that. Uh, no, like the thing is like with our at least test cases. What do you mean like zero list and number in list are one? No, like but it should work for the test case we are looking, right? Current, okay. Yeah, test case should work. I should add a return statement here. Here, let's see. uh, what is going on, man? Is it just line? Is it this line? Oh, this is the line. Crazy. Wait. Current dot head next is equal to head. If I create this, why this is such an issue? Tailor is a linkless context creates a cycle forming a circular list. This is a common operation when implementing circular list and blah blah blah, but causes issue in standard linkless operation and not designed to handle. Okay, okay. So we can't do exactly this in the. If you intend to intended a standard linked list, if you circular link, you must modify your algorithm to include a safe stopping condition, prevent infinite loops. Okay, so it's the issue with the way they did it. What I can do then, current dot next, because we know one thing from our algorithm, right? We will not even go fully. It is because it's the remainder operation we are using. What is that? Sorry, Rajesh, no. Check for node.next.next. Bro, CH, in your job, do you see this lead code problem? No, at all, nothing. I do, when I was working for some big companies, I did use certain, I will say, not linked list, but array related problems a lot. Because if you are technically getting 100,000 plus rows for our web application, which we had to load. So there, yes, array related one, linked list, not problem. I don't, I haven't seen many linked list related data structure in my real life. When I was coding for big companies, because majority of the time things are in database, so I haven't seen it. There are 100% cases available, but I just haven't seen it for linked list for sure. So Rajesh, for the next problem you mentioned, no, the issue is because what's happening is creating a circular list, and Python, the way these guys wrote the algorithm, is not keeping a proper check. I only make project no, so might think I'm not a good. Wait, I only make project no lead code, so HR might think I'm not a good. What do you mean? 61, bro. Check the pin. I pinned the problem number. Problem link here. Wait, what do you mean by I only make project no lead code? So HR think I'm not good at program. What do you mean by that? I didn't get it. HR doesn't, but HR do definitely like the team person who is there, right? I'll show you quickly one thing. Let me open in. Just let me open in the Chrome itself. You see this? This is my this is my resume, right? They don't, but do, like the tech people can, right? So here I have my GitHub and my LinkedIn, and I mentioned my user, and I made sure my username is same consistently, so I can do it because of this, right? This resume you want me, or you want the lead code? Yeah, I will send it. I can send it in the Discord, but what I meant is like they can go to your GitHub, they can go to your LinkedIn, see what you share, stuff like that, right? It's important to do those things. It's very important to have like lead code and stuff and all those things mentioned. Now I will, after I have, let's say, a good lead code profile, I'm going to mention that. No, you are a new student. Students, that resume I showed was an old one. So students should put their education on top if you have a good CV. If not, then only put it at bottom. But if you have a good GPA, put it on top and make sure it's in bold. Have a look at this. So my rank is this, which is okay. But I want to show this, right? This is they see, oh, 145 problems solved in one past year. Oh, he has done so many blah blah blah. They see this, right? This is actually a good looking profile now, kind of little bit good. but like it's really is something they can see that yeah, he's problem 35. If I reach 100, it is actually good. You might 7.5 out of what? I don't know the Indian system though. I don't know what is a good one or not. You guys probably know, right? Like you can just go quickly, and even if you don't, right? If you don't, still put education at top. Just don't put CGPA. Do not put that. Yeah, then if you feel like it's not a good one, right? If it is, let's say, not in 90% or something, don't put the CGPA, but just put your degree on top, because degree is important when they're looking. There are jobs which mentions fresh graduates only. I can't apply. Only you guys can, who have graduated within the last year. There are jobs. Even like if I go like that's how I got into 40net, right? 40net. If I go legit careers, careers, I'll go directly this link. Legit, there are jobs which mention career at 40net, right? We are new for. Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. So graduate role, right? There are some new graduate stuff like that they will mention. New, because I know I applied to that, right? New grad jobs, that's the one. New grad jobs, new grad jobs, new grad jobs. Like they will mention new grad jobs. I'm not even joking. Like a lot of companies specifically mention new grads so they can train you from the very day one and put you into, like, if this is the first thing they want you to learn is their culture and their training. That's okay. Make sure you actually, first thing you should be doing, not watching me. First thing should be like providing, being the bread earner for for your house. Watching me should not be in your like top priority list. What one thing, if you watch me, if you want to be consistent with learning, you want to keep on learning, have a chat somebody with someone, right, in the same field, it's good. Or if you just want to chill, but like do not let it come between your bread earning. Never let it. I'm saying it to you. Don't have to watch me. Make sure your parents, your family members are able to eat good food and you have enough money. If something bad happens, you can support every single one of them. That should be your first priority, nothing else. That's why I don't mention about like subs. I don't mention about like, oh, donate to me and all those, right? I don't want those things. First thing should be you should earn bread. Go for it. Ajay, I can help you. The company I work for, they do hire a lot of people. So you probably won't even need help, but yeah, you can get some, and you can put my reference if you want. I don't mind. I know you guys. You have been doing stuff with me. I can just put my reference if you like, and give you my contact detail in that terms. I'm ready to help, man. Like if you want help from me, and I will love to help you in every single way possible. Yeah, like apply, have security job. If you want security job, keep applying. But let's say even after 3 months, right, if you keep on getting rejected because like, hey, you don't have experience, that's fine. Just get a coder job so you have money coming in, and keep doing these things on the side. Get if you get certificates, you can get security jobs. You need certificates to get security jobs. That's one thing I can tell you right now. Or open source contribution, two things very much needed to get security jobs. Or internship is a good way to like get in foot inside the industry. Yeah, now let's lock in, but just make sure what your priority should be. I'm should not be your priority. Simple. That's why I don't mention about my donate links and all those, because I'm happy doing streaming for free, because I just love to build a good community. If I'm able to become a full streamer, that's good. If not, that's fine. Okay, peace out. Not peace out. Wait, lock in. Not peace out. Not peace out. Okay, so we have moves, right? We are able to get moves. Let's say moves with K and all this. Now we know moves is the remainder of the size. So as long as this happens, so head, we have to do is Can we do ternary operator in this Python? Okay. If else. Okay, just like almost done. Okay. If oh, head is about to change. Never mind. I don't have to do this. I need something else. New head. I have to create something called a new head. New head equals to head, and then we have head current. So new head should be equal to new head dot next, and current dot next if current dot next exists, else head. One more thing I'll tell you, this ternary operators are very useful in big code, man. These if else you don't want to use those. Okay, let's see what we have. I'm returning the wrong value. New don't add. Okay. Nope. This doesn't do the good job for me. Dot val. Dot val. Three, 2, 4, 1, 5. So what is 3? Moves is 3. 4. 5 is the size. Okay. Let me put it here. K is 2, so move should be 3. Yes, size is 4. Head is 1 and current val is 5. Yes. So after this whole iteration, let's say I put it this way. Okay. Moves minus equal 1. So first move we go from 1. This go from 1 to 2. Yes. Moves will become, let's say, first it will become 2. This becomes 1, goes from 1 to 2. This will go from 5 to, what's this called, 1. Now this will become 1. This will go from 2 to 3. This will go 1 to 2. This will become 0 in the last, and this will be the last time it will be going. 3 to 4. So it is at, first it was at 1, then it will go to, it was at 2, then it was at 3. So now it will be at 4, right? 4, yes. It's current value, and this will be 4. Head will be, new head will be 4. What they want from results should have 4. Why this is coming like this? CS bro, by the way, you should make videos on current topic like latest exploit doing them. I think yeah, dude, I'm actually like what I'm trying to do. If you remember, you were in the voice chat earlier, right? Thing is, I want to make good videos. Like I want to make some stuff exactly what you're talking about. So what I'm doing is creating a AI project using personal LLM, utilizing my NVIDIA GPU and 32 GB RAM and blah 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 to create automate ways to create that videos, because those type of videos require automation, like sorry, editing. I'm not good with editing. I'm just not good, and I'm not interested in it. So I'm like using AI to create some good videos. That's like one thing I'm trying to do, and it will be a personal project I'm doing. It will take me a month or two, and because it's taking a lot of my brain power. That's the reason I was last week. I was so tired because I was sleeping till 2. I was googling. I was using Gemini. I was using Windsurf for this. Why Windsurf I have started using so much is because of that thing. Bro, it is tough, but I'm enjoying the struggle. I'm enjoying the suffering because of you. You change everything, bro. Brain power. I will be RAP because of you. I enjoyed suffering way too much now. You you hacked it, bad boy. This will be 4 and 3, and 3 dot next is none. Imagine I'm just at 4 5 hours of sleep for so many days of a week, and then Saturday I slept till 2 p.m. after sleeping at 2 a.m. Imagine, man. And I'm a type of person, if I sleep more than 8 hours, it hurts my head. It hurts my head, and I was sleeping for 12, man. It's crazy, but it's fun. It's just so addicting. This AI thing is addicting. It's crazy. I like it. I like the suffering. Go to head. Why this new head? Okay, let's print. New head hasn't changed. One thing I really hate about Python is the linked list. Man. Java is really good with linked list. Like programming in it so much easier. Most people want to avoid pain, but discipline is actually pain. Discipline is the best thing. Yeah, like discipline is pain, but it's actually such a good thing. Oh, my, I'm the idiot. What? 2 3 4. Yes, it will gonna go to 3. Oh, I see. And then I have to get the tail then. Okay, I think this will work now. If current dot next is tail is current. Yeah, and so this is working now. That's good. Case 2 0 1 2. K is this one move. Oh yes, I can just use F. Yep. Thank you, good sir. Thank you, good sir. Thank you. Mm, well, I'm tired. That's the excuse I can use for being an idiot. uh, this dude. Move 0. Yes. Case 4. Size was 3. Head is 1. Now head should be 2. Head equal 1 to 3. K hit. Oh wow. Yeah, bro. Use the denominator, man. Use the thing. This one. Remainder. That will help. But why is this? So if it goes 0, the size is wrong. Why? Yeah. Should be K plus 1, right? Because it has to go to the next one of this. But size is wrong. It's not the K problem with K. Size is wrong. Size become 1, yes. Current is this. Size becomes 2. Current becomes 1. Size becomes K. No, no, no. It's not with this size. I'm actually like, what I'm doing wrong is size plus 1 if next, or if current dot next is a thing. Size will be 1. So I should start size by 1. No, size by 2 if current is a thing. logic properly. Okay, now it makes right moves. Let's see. Let's see if I submit. Just the two cases it will do. Problem with is this head is none. Okay, great. Head is 1, 2, K is 0. But why this is even happening? Moves is 0. Oh, because of this. Yeah, just keep it here. Good call. Good call. If K, and according to the description, what all values can moves have? Okay, it can be between this. Okay. Why this is an invalid syntax? Okay. But okay, so you want to do return head if K equal to 0. So every time you do that, he's like his emoji is so funny with that. Okay, so we can't have return basically in this case then. I'll just put here. Uh, Actually no. You're right. I should do it here. So if equal 0, return head. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. If k is 0, okay. Why did I do k plus 1 then? No, I fucked up my stuff. Okay. If k is 0, return head. And what about if moves are equal to 0? Do not move at all. Like, if moves is equal to 0, again return head. Right? Yeah. Ah! If 1, there's 1, then it will be 2, 1. But I'm returning 1, 2. So my issue is here. I have written the wrong algorithm. Let's say whatever is k percentage size, if it was 1, size was 2, this will be 1. No, no, it's my algorithm. It's the algorithm that's wrong. If moves is 0, then return head. Else, this is the new head. Till moves are greater. So if there was just one move, right? Move was just 1. This will become 0 now. New head, which was 1, will go to 2. Whatever was current here, 2 will go to 1. And then this comes out. What have I done wrong? I actually need some help here. For case of length 1 and 2, and then k is 1, my first part was this is not here allowed. In these cases, size is 1 if there is head is something, right? There is something with head. No, 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 no. I got this. I'm just making a mistake somewhere. That's all I have to find. So I'm getting the size correct all the time, which is, I think, is a good thing, right? I'm getting the size correct. Dude, I understand. Same for me. I just know with Java really well and maybe JavaScript too, but Python is a case different, is a totally different case. Um, and I'll just add the test cases to another one being really. So I want these to work, both of them to work. Size is one because head is there. I just check what's next for the head, add that, goes to next and stuff. And printing size is correct. It's printing the size 5 for this one, which is correct. 3 for this one, that's correct. 2 for this one, that's correct. Oh, nice, bro. That's why you do TypeScript a lot, eh? Bro, I have switched my languages so many times. Like, bro, I've switched so many languages. My life has been up and down, and I have tasted so many languages. Got my hands dirty in so many of them because, like, I had to, right? With being in startup, then have various different projects, looking at legacy code. I've been everywhere, man. It's not good. I wanted to be like master of one, so good that I can just speak in or do it in Notepad. This is also Notepad almost, but yeah, pretty much. Yes, yes, pretty much. So size is coming correct. Moves will be whatever is the k percentage this, so zero, blah blah blah. If it is moves are zero, return head, right? There's no point in going next. This, if moves is let's say just one, and it was, or is it like the case which we didn't pass, like 1 2 3 4 5, k is two, so two moves will go, and then 1 2 3 4 5 will become, wait, k is two. Why you pick JavaScript then? Like for as if you're not a web developer, why would you pick JavaScript instead of like Java or Python as your first language? That's an interesting choice indeed. Like that's a good question by Rajeshwar though, bro. If you're not in web dev, what you do? Like why would you pick JavaScript? Because the reason I didn't like JavaScript for a long time, JavaScript and Python are two languages I didn't like, and those are the ones I use the most right now. JavaScript, I saw this. This is what I saw in JavaScript one day, and I was like, yeah, I'm not touching JavaScript for unless until I have to. Oh, makes sense, makes sense. Yeah, this is the reason I never liked JavaScript. Straight up. I was like, fuck, I'm not doing it. Java, I loved. That's why I just loved Java, man. I haven't touched Java in like a couple of years. That was my go-to language for all the lead code problems too. Oh, debugging in the sense like bug bounty, he meant. Yeah, it is a super language. It's like so many maths issues you have. You can't do maths in there. Yeah. But Rajesh, he specifically mentioning bug bounty hunting, in which you are basically looking at JavaScript code, right? Okay. Where to find? Oh, yeah. What's the name? Hacker one. Yeah. Bug crowd is there. Integrity or something is there. Another one. Yeah, integrity. Let's look at this one from my side. If tail was something, if even once things happen, right? which was 1. Let's say move was 2. Ah, that's a good one. He got you there, bro. He got you there. Actually, hilarious. And you have to accept the fact that he got you there, man. He set you up there. So moves were 2, right, from the start. 2 and goes to 1 and then 0. Here, I'll just increase the size. Do to live chat, not in top chat. Go to live chat. Probably. That's probably why. Maybe. Yeah, I saw that. I saw because probably it's like this last one who didn't come in the live chat, top chat. Yeah. If there were two moves required, goes to one, then goes to next, and then this is here. So head was here. This is the first move. One, if 1 to 2, then 2 to 1. But like, why not this case then? Why this case has the issue? 1 2, and then there is 1. Moves are 1, so 1 goes to 0. It will go to 0 from 1 to 0. No, it should be if there are 0 moves left, don't go inside again, right? You did? Congrats, bro. Finally. That's okay, man. I got you. I got you. I got you. I don't need a girlfriend. I got you, bro. Will you help me, bro? Yes, I got you, bro. I got you. I got you. I don't need a girlfriend. I got you. Look into my eyes. But yeah, let's lock in. Let's lock in for 5 minutes. I want to get this done, man. So I can come up early at the right time for try hack me. Let's lock in for this. Let's lock in for 10 minutes. I think I will be able to hit it in 10 minutes. So moves, as long as there are certain moves, move this. And interestingly here, if we see the description, if let's say the moves here were 2, 1, 2, right? With this, there's an extra thing happening here. I have to understand why. Before it goes here, print f uh, moves. Then I have head, tail, not tail, current. So if I run here, two moves are there. Current value of this is 1. Yeah, but like the algorithm, where in the algorithm there is a issue, right? That's what I feel like. I'm making one stupid mistake in the algorithm. Moves are 2, head is at 1, and current is at 5. Okay. So when the first move happens, right? 2 head goes to this new head. I'm making an extra rotation. There is a 0 at 0 is going here. Yes, so wait, how come the 0 is coming? Oh yeah, like it's 0 it comes here, right? This move is happening. That's right. 2 and 1, 3 and yeah. Head is 3, but I need the extra rotate. Why can't you use not element pop? Where? And what's up, bro? Howdy. Uh, bro, I think the thing is this is not a array. This is a linked list, and we were trying to do the circular thing, a circular linked list, but there are issues with the way they set it up, so I can't do a circular linked list. Basically, yeah. New head.next. It just happens. Yeah, I think he thought it's a array, so yes, makes sense. I'm just trying to think one thing. So we have, in this case, the K is working. In case of this, right? Head becomes 2, 1. This is what they expect. In case of this, my answer is coming right, but in this case, it's not coming right. I don't understand why. Yeah. Do you guys understand? Maybe understand why? Question is like, why in big, like when array is like just bigger than two sizes, answer is wrong. But in case, yo rabbit, what's up? Also, lads, this is the link if you want the code. I pinned it here. Rabbit. Wrench was saying, "Yo, Wrench was saying, where is Rabbit?" He wants to say that. He loves those emojis you send afterwards. What a polite guy. Yo, I don't understand this though. It's a trademark almost at this point. Okay, let me just do this way. Fucking debug. I'll just go line by line. I hate doing debug like line by line, but GG's. So here, here. Let's see. Come on. Why in case of like two like small arrays working in the big one is not? So current is 5. Yeah, this is good. I go to the next when moves becomes 0. He knows eating carrots so um so when moves are 1, new head is at 2. Yes, there is one move that happened, and current will be at the next one. I think I will go here. Current will become 1, I guess. Yeah, it happened. Now let's go to the next one. Moves are 0 now. Yes, this is at 3, 4, 5. Yes, then current will be at 2. It will go, moves are 0, goes out, and this returns this. Okay, for now we must say, bro, that's fucked up. You guys just say anything you want on the internet, don't you? Print moves for every rotation. But that's happening, right? Like if I went from here, I'm moving like from 2, the head is this, current is this, then it's 0 and then 1. This is what's being printed. I want 4, so it should be like an extra move technically coming. And that's why I had k plus 1 here. Extra move that should be coming. But then for the small case, it's killing it. Uh, this guy wrench. Okay, let me just see this. How did this happen now? Was it? Did I read something? No, right? Hope not. Yo, is it working for you guys? That's actually a good one from Rabbit. Stop, please stop. Oh, GitHub continues to downfall. Ooh, that's actually a good one to look. Dude, why? No, it should not be down, right? No, Leetcode is down. Cloudflare is working. Yo, is the Leetcode? Are you guys able to reach Leetcode? If I did it, at least I should be getting a bunch of subscribers now. If I turned it down, I'm the reason why it went down. Oh wait, it is. A user from India reported Leetcode error received. Canada, yes. Palestine has Leetcode? Huh. Hamas doing Leetcode? You won't get anything from that, buddy. Oh, hey, we took down Leetcode. Yes. We took down Leetcode. Yes. It's talent, bro. It's talent. It's not. It's talent. This is hilarious. How did this happen? That's me, a Canadian user. A Canadian. No, this is me. This is it. Somebody reported slow. No, it's not slow. It's just not working. Down detector. That would be the next. That's crazy though. Like, good part is if somebody actually says anything to me, I have a video showing that I write shit code, so they should. It shouldn't be me. Imagine that meme comes or like the title comes, a hacker or a YouTuber wrote such a gay code that broke lead code. That would be a good title. Yo, did we reach till that is working? I think I have to close the meeting today, but like, did we reach 690? Oh, we reached 693. Yay! Yeah, the code was so gay. Yo, the code was so gay. It took down all the servers straight. See the word of place. The code was so gay. It took every straight. It took down every server straight. Joe, this is hilarious. This is the second time this is happening. Hold up. Let's do something. Lads, you have to help me with this thing. You have to help me with this thing. Should I post this thing? Let me do this way. It is censored hacker. It's the same thing, man. Which one should I do? Oh my god, it's showing only Down syndrome. When I said down, I meant not this. Not this down. I meant down in the sense like server went down. Fuck it. Fuck it. It's going to be fun, man. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. This is one of the most liked posts. Okay, if this doesn't work now, I'm just going to end this call. Yeah, straight down, straight down. It's the same. I was just wanted to practice 150 problems, top 150, man. For now, I don't want to like go in other ones. Because the reason I don't want to go like on other platform because I keep on doing that and I don't complete even a single one. Remember, lads, if I reach 750 subscribers, I will jump in 2 feet of snow wearing just t-shirt and shorts. And I believe there will be more than 2 feet of snow minimum. The city I live in gets a lot of snow. Bro, actually, so let me tell you this. So giveaway, there is something going on. I started this one today. So this one I started, and this is an easy one. Actually, it's a very easy one. This is all me right now. So if you go on this, right, I will be sharing all the links and everything tomorrow. But when you go on this link, right, and just show, let's say I will go here. You go on this link, you scan this QR code, right? Download it, but make sure before downloading, take a screenshot that is being downloaded for the first time. And then, because it's easy to maintain the records, right? If somebody says, hey, they didn't download it for the first time or blah, 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 just take all the screenshots whenever you download and play for like reach more levels if you can. Yeah, they're actually doing great. After we reach $100 worth of this, like, let me go back. Last one we did reach 64. If you see, $64, right? And then if we reach, let's say, another 30-40 bucks in this one, some one person will get $100 worth, or I think I might be doing 50, 25, 25, or $100 worth of like giveaway. Yeah. So do download this game, play as much as you can, right? Do not spend any money, you don't have to, but just try to reach, let's say I did this in like very little time. I was able to, like, it's 10-20 minutes, you are able to reach level 5, right? Try to reach level 20 or 30 or 40 is 2 weeks, and we will be able to like do some good giveaways. Your money I will send. You did the premium one, so I have $14 from you. Yeah, I have to give you that. I'm not giving 17 Pro. I recently got it. I have to change my phone. Hopefully in future if I get sponsored, sure. If I get Apple as a sponsor. I know, I know. Me too. Me too. I got 33 views so far. Share this everywhere. Share this. Oh boy. Yep, that's all it is, I guess. Okay, lads. But yeah, that's all for today, I guess. Please like, share, subscribe if you want to see me jump in 6 feet or 2 feet of snow wearing just t-shirts and shorts. I hate wrench. I hate you sometimes, man. That was good one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. This is the Discord link for any newcomer, right? And also, Anshul posted a request in Discord. Please, if you have able to send that, right? The able to fill the form, that will be great. I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that. Not enough money, bro. If a I can't do that. I can't do that. That I'm just jumping in snow. I'm not doing that one. No, 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 no. Holy, you! I just gave you a simple challenge, and you guys are like, holy. This is the right. Oh, uh, go and just ask the 10 girls, and out of those 10, how many says yes? Nah, dude, I will be going in -20 almost. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It will be like -10, -20. People get frostbite. I'm doing that. They're back online. Okay, let's see. Eh, need to write even more shitty code. Thanks, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Wait, where's my code? Ah, dude, I don't want to write everything again. Oof. Okay, let's see. Thank you so much, bro. I just wrote really bad code. That's all I did, bro. That's all I did. I did really bad code. I'm about to do that again. You will see it live this time. Okay. Thank you so much, man. And let me log in because for some reason I got logged out. Okay. Thank you so much, Raj. Okay, let's lock in. Let's lock in. I My texting game is actually really bad. I'm not going to lie. I don't have Riz. I just know how to hack. That's all. And actually, I'm learning that too. Okay. Alrighty, let's lock in. I'm just locking in, so I won't be seeing comments. You guys go ahead, enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. At 7:50, you will see me jump in snow. 2 feet of snow. I'm not looking at the chat. I need to lock in, yeah. Okay, so if I run the test cases the way I want, the third one, which is 1 and 2, that's the only one that's killing it. And if I go at the test results, mm, so first case is when there is 1 and 2 and just one is need to go, this will happen. So it become 2, 1. But in the case 2, right, and k is 2, from 1 it goes to 2 and 2 it goes to 3. I don't get it. Why the case here in this case is 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 when this case is 1 and 2? Me? Damn. Man. Uh, if the size is 3, then there is just one move technically. Oh wait. Oh wait, oh wait, oh wait. I think I found something. I understand one. No, never mind. And then there is like, let's say if there is third case of 0, 1, 2 and k is equal to 4, then k will be, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will become next one 2, 0, 1. Yo yo, 4, 5 star. I don't get one thing, lads. So in case if there is one move, right, it will be 2 this, and if there are two moves, 0, 2, 2 and 2 to 3, the head will be the next one. Why not 3 here? I don't get that part. What am I think? Help me what I'm thinking wrong, right? Let's think about this way. Explain to me what I'm thinking wrong in this case. So here, k is 1, right? So this is our current head. Like, tell me what I'm doing wrong, right? Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I will say, I asked it, I forgot about it. Like I don't think I think he forgot about it. So I'll let you know, man. Okay. It one move was made, so head will come to here, right? Peace out, bro. All the best. So now head is here. We make two moves. This becomes the new head. Now this becomes the new head, right? Shouldn't it be 3, 4, 5, 1, 2? Then if head is 4, first head is here, moves 1, then moves 2, right? then moves third one, then moves 4. Shouldn't head be here because 4 moves. In this case, there are. What am I thinking wrong here? Or I have to read again. Rotate by 1. 1 goes here. Head becomes. No. I'm doing opposite. Goes back by 1. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. It goes back by 1. It goes back by 1. Not. So here, this would be actually. I'm such a dumb idiot, man. That's why things are not working the right way. And that's why for the smaller one, it was working. It was becoming just. Okay. So if this is 1, right, size is 2. Yeah, it's shifting places where I was going this direction. It should be going in this direction. Mine, rather right one. So here, it would be like, let's say, size minus whatever is the moves, right? And that would give me, okay. So if I go, let's say here, in this case, okay, size is 3, so I move 3 places. Now I have the right one. Size is 4, technically it will become 1. Size 3, so because whatever is the size, so it will become 1. 3 minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Okay. Let's see now. And it was supposed to be. Yep. Yep. Beats only 2%? Okay, changing the code then. Remove the print. Remove these lads. Remove this lad. Remove this guy. Dude, I'm actually pissed off at myself. The suffering is real in this case, yes. What is the ON for this? So it goes to all of these ones. That's 1. ON and ON, let's say. O2N. So this is ON. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, beats 100%. So O2N, that's the right one. I do write. I didn't write shitty code. I am the my brain is my algorithm was shitty. My reading is shitty. I don't want to use certain more words. I think I might get banned forever. Yep. You want me to run it again? For you, I will run it again. Sure. Dude, this is. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say at this point. Okay, let's see. I want to see the beating of the memory. So 21%, 13%, 100%, 56%. Good job. Did I just don't understand this. Just the whole thing, if anybody is wondering, right? In this algorithm, here, if you see, we are going over the whole thing once to get the size. So this is ON, and we are going again basic number of moves. Number of moves, the worst case would be same as like the length, almost, or n minus 1. So I will still say, let's say O n minus 1, or sorry, O n, let's say. So the total algorithmic, right, like the time complexity would be O2n, which is O n again. Yeah. Okay. And to answer your guys' question, no, I will not be going on dates with random girls. No, not sorry. Never. Not. No, nahi, nakko, ille. Enjoy. None. How many language you want me to speak to tell you no? No, nahi, nakko, ille, none, none, null actually. 404. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 languages, and my answer is still no. That's all I know. It's just shifting with offset K wrapping around the beginning when it comes. Yeah, yep, 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 yep. Yeah, but yes. The problem with my code was not my code was bad. It was I didn't read that it's going left instead of right. That's what my problem was coming. I have no idea what kumoni is. In Japanese, I don't know. I don't know. I know something. I know how to say it in something else in German. I can't say it online. That's all. Russian? I don't know. Probably no. Answer is no. No in Russian. Hit.
Нет, нет.
What the I can't say that, man. I can't say that. I know you guys will make a clip and just go make it viral, and then I have to like change and get a plastic surgery. Not doing that. Try Japanese. You guys are going to get me banned, man.
いいえ、
Okay, okay. Uh, okay, that's thank you. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Right? Nothing more, nothing less. Also, from tomorrow I will be like posting about this campaign, but I started it today. So if you can, before like downloading this game, make sure you show from your Google Store and stuff, like downloading for the first time when it's come, take a screenshot of that and go to this link, or you can just scan the QR code from here. Where's the link? Yeah. Yamadi kodasai. Okay. But yeah, go to this link. If you can scan the QR code, right? Scan the QR code, download the game. Let me know you have downloaded the game, right? So I can keep a track. And just like in the last one, we got 64. I'm trying to hit this one as at least like 40, $50. And we can do it if you even like five, six people or all of you do just download it, right? And like play to like for 20, 30 minutes in next 2 weeks, we all can hit like 40 minimum easily, 40 plus 30 plus 10. So we can hit $80, and then that would be a good Christmas gift or giveaway. Yeah, and I'll just share this. Yeah, $64 on the previous one. So I'm just going to get that cash too this year. So make sure you just are able to do it. It would be helpful because all the money I'm going to pool into the giveaway. Simple. All the money I'm going to give it in the giveaway. That's all, lads. That's all for today. I'll go get to bed, get some sleep because I have to come up early in the morning for the Try Hack Me Day 16 Advent of Cyber. But yeah, this was a great day. Sure, I'll upload the screenshot there. Uh, I'll do it this. Here you go. Hmm. Okay, and I'll just post all the important. Where is that? Level 70 is the maximum you can reach basically, or to get paid, and that's like $15. That's crazy. Oh, there is more actually. I'll do it this way. Okay, bro, don't say that, please. It will help you, Wrench. It will help you raise money. Just mention you are joking because like it will help you raise money. You might win a really good rubber ducky. Who knows? Or that what's that Flipper Zero? Who knows, right? If we are able to raise enough money, Flipper Zero will be a good giveaway. Alrighty. Okay, lads. That was it. I will go be evil. Okay. But I'll take you guys leave now. Thank you so much for joining me today for amazing views and stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow for some Try Hack Me Day 16 Advent of Cyber. Till then, this has been your favorite censored hacker, the one who took down the hacker. Go ahead. No, this is your favorite censored hacker, the one who took down Leetcode today because of your love and my shitty code. Keep motivating me for writing more shitty code. Till then, thank you so much and a very big bye. Peace out, lads. Yeah, hopefully day 16 is good. Peace.